Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to form an LLC in Texas. First, choose a unique LLC name that complies with Texas naming rules. Then appoint a registered agent with a physical address in Texas. File Form 205 with the Secretary of State and pay the $300 fee. Next, create an operating agreement to define your LLC's management and structure. Now get an EIN from the IRS for tax and banking purposes. Next, file the franchise tax questionnaire with the Texas Controller. Submit the public information report each year to stay in good standing. Now, apply for any required business licenses or permits based on your industry. Open a business bank account to keep your business and personal funds separate. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.